Wait till Uncle comes in here.
Okay.
All right.
You gonna record?
Blue tongue! Where's that?
So you're finishing it off?
Yeah.
Yeah, I forgot my phone, so you guys are going to take a lot of pictures.
What?
It's a new phone!
What, you don't
Isn't
like,
that the coolest thing?
you don't like it?
I told you not to get me at this.
What, you don't like the phone? What's wrong?
Is that not good enough?
Is that not cool?
Alpha had one just like that 10 years ago, man. That is like the coolest phone out there.
Whoa.
Do you like it?
Really?
Hey, that's not a way to react.
That thing's awesome.
You know how hard that was to get?
Those are impossible to find.
That's like a collector.
That's a collector's item.
It's an
Check it out.
antique. It's probably worth like 4 times what it was worth brand new.
What the heck was that?
That's your clip
You're
case.
breaking it already.
Gotta be careful with that.
Isn't that the most awesome thing?
We had this baby insured for at least 24.5 cents.
Oh, you can't turn it on.
Well, I'm going to show you how to work that, baby.
You know what, Maddie? We had to order the charger on the internet because they didn't have any in the store, so it's gonna be like 3 or 4 days before we can charge it. Do you like it?
You're breaking it, kid.
Sure? Oh man, I got it on my finger. Sharp as a
Are you gonna say thank
All
you?
right, should we tell her now?
What? Tell it. What?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Open your card.
Sure.
Yeah, open the card.
I'm a monkey.
That is cute. Oh.
That's it, kid. What does it say?
No one holds a candle to you. Happy birthday. Love, Daddy and Mom. Love you, Matt. What? Really? Bad timing.
Whose phone
Is that
is
your
it?
phone?
No?
I think that's your number.
It's not me. I didn't call you.
Where's that coming from?
Right here. Oh,
Hope you're filming this.
That's cool, man.
It was all a gag, kid.
Yeah, it was a gig.
We set you up with the old phone just to see what you would do. That's shades of the BB gun. Hiding the BB gun at Christmas tree time. I'll tell you, that was a good one too.
Are you crying?
Aw, it's so cute.
This is the nicest hug I've had in a long time.
Well, in that case, I can get you your other gift. Here you go, Mr. K. Take over this.
Were you upset?
Take
over?
that. Yeah,
Now
it's
she has
recording.
a
I gotta go
purple
get the rest of her
Is it
gift.
still recording?
She has a
Check it out.
purple
You want me to start it over again?
So it's still recording. You can keep
Oh, that's awesome. I like the
I
pink
put
on it.
it over.
All right, here we
I'm
are
getting
over
the
at
phone.
the squirrel's birthday party. 10 years old today. Oh,
Here you go, Maddie.
man.
This is the rest of your gift. This is an extra charger for your phone. So if you run out of battery, that's the emergency charger in a case.
That is so awesome. Thank you.
You like it?
Open
Yeah.
that phone up, dude.
Pretty cool.
Be careful. Yeah, how about
Open that sucker up.
I'm
sucker
getting the
up.
phone next year. Oh my god, this is awesome. I'm getting that phone for my birthday next year.
Yeah, it's just about time, you know. She's starting to go out with her buddies more and play dates. And
Oh my
she wants to have it.
That's a pretty sexy phone you got
And we
there.
put that case right on it.
Isn't that, Daisy?
Yeah, black and
So what'd you think of our little practical joke, kid?
It was pretty mean, wasn't it?
That was really mean.
Come on now. That wasn't mean. That was clever as hell. I mean, heck.
There you go.
There you go.
Oh, stupid work. Oh my god.
You want to help her
Oh,
charge that?
your code is.
Oh, I like that background. I
You
love
can
that
change it.
background.
You can change the background to whatever you want.
All right, I gotta go
So
to
awesome.
work.
That's that phone is from the whole crew. It's from me, mommy, and the Boo Jack.
And be
Thank
signing
you.
off. Ta-da!
Peace out. Gotta go
Peace out.
do
Okay.
hair and change the world.
Yep, there you go.